Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. Happy Cinco de Mayo, everyone. Hey, let's see if the stocks are gonna stock this morning. All right, let's get the question in real quick. Is the stock market going to close red or green today? Red, green. Oh wait, hold up. Spell green wrong. Or break even. Yeah, let's get in there. All right. Switch to live chat. Hey, top of the morning. Hey, good morning, Alex. Good morning, Ann. Good morning, Blausen. Good morning, Jay. Hey, appreciate the 6 of y'all that decided to wake up this morning and smash the like button. Also, the rest of y'all just decided to just come and be here. Top of the morning, my life be like. Kevin, good morning. Hold up. I want to have Palantir on here. Where is it? Okay. So yeah, we got Palantir. Palantir has earnings today. All right, y'all. So also, oh wait, hold up. Oh yeah, gonna be a wild Monday with I'm probably gonna wait. We'll have to see though. Randy, good morning. Derek, good morning. But yeah, guys, this week I am starting another. I hesitate to say this, but I'm starting another 52-week challenge. This time we're going to start with $200, and it's going to be on Moomoo. This one, the account's going to be Moomoo for me, so I can kind of make what I want to make and then leave it alone. But my goal is 10% a week, and we'll kind of go over kind of like how that compounds later when things slow down today. And then I'll make a little video for it too. But yeah, it's kind of been a minute since I've done something like that, and I want to go at it again. See Smooth, top of the morning. Hey, this morning I was ready to hold up. This morning I was ready to sell a put on Honest, but it came down in the pre-market. All right. Oh wait, hold up. So we can probably. Yo, is my screen not moving? Hold on, let me update that. It doesn't look like it's moving at all. All right, so how do I? Yeah, let me fix that real quick. All right, can we see that now? Is that okay? There we go. There we go. Make it a little bit smaller. All right, let's see. How do I participate? Oh, well, I have to see, honestly. Right now on stream is kind of where I intend to kind of find the trades, but I will make a video kind of going over the rules later. The intention is really just to make 10% a week though. I did this some years ago with I started with $50, and it's like if you compound it 10% over 52 weeks, it's like somewhere around like $7,000 if you start with 50 without adding any money. And I failed the challenge, but we got all the way up to like 3,000 something. So it's like failed the challenge, but got a decent ways, and it was it was I found it really helpful. Found it to be really helpful to my trading, so I want to do it again. And then I've tried it some other times, and I didn't. Not even gonna lie, I didn't have the patience. Master DRC, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, Blanton. Christine, good morning. Dwight, good morning. Elegant Boom, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. But yeah, Sherry, my question to you is, how would you like to participate? Like, I'm very open to ideas. Like in the past, it's just kind of it's just kind of been a series where I like posted a weekly video on my channel. But when it comes to involvement, like what kind of ideas? What would you like? And then another thing for me is another like rule I'm kind of implementing is my trading has been kind of like garbage lately, and I think it's been because I've been trying to almost find something every day, but I realize there's not something every day. So as one thing I intend on implementing is getting at least 2 weeks on all my contracts, and I don't know. Yeah, once again, just going for that little 10%. Bullish Moolah, good morning. Good morning. All right, so we got Microsoft, we got Palantir. I feel like I wanted to look at like Google or something. Hey, top of the top, Will. Top of the top. All right. Also, I want to know like how y'all feeling about Palantir earnings today? It's at a pretty critical level. It's like right here at all time highs again, and it's like very overbought, and it's in a demand zone. Last time it was here, it had a 20. Like the first when this demand zone was created, it had like a 23-24% sell off from here. Thizzle, good morning. Like 22, what's up? Hey, weekend was cool. How's this week about to go? Hey, we'll have to see about this week. We got I think Fed rate decision on Wednesday, which is kind of big. I may kind of wait for that whenever it comes to the challenge account, but we'll see. Timeless, good morning. Emotions Link, good morning. Microsoft puts. So I closed mine out. I don't know if I closed mine out on. I think I closed mine out on Thursday. So I closed out of the Microsoft puts on Thursday, but if they can come below 430, they can move down some more. Def watching Palantir after earnings. Yeah, part of me wants to go like really small on like some out of the money puts because there is a lot of meat on the bone. Like so a little bit can go a long way, but also if it decides to wait, I don't know. I'll probably just chill out. Today should be a sit on my hands kind of day. All right, I'm waiting for the sell off to buy more. Oh, Nvidia. Oh yeah, HIMS too. Yeah, let's pull the HIMS up. All right, so HIMS. Okay, so it's kind of at the top of its range. It's in a strong demand. One thing I will say. Oh, hold up. I got all this stuff from when I like recorded a video. Low-key, I think it's been over a week. But it's still in progress. Okay, so we got market open. The market is open. I need to clear all this off. But anyways, Hims tapped into a demand zone over here. They're kind of going crazy. I would say with Hims, you would kind of expect it to keep going from here. So I'm going to say like chart wise, I feel like Hims is going to still keep moving up after earnings. And chart wise with Palantir, it's kind of like Palantir, it can disrespect the chart, but chart wise, Palantir needs to sell off here. Everyone coming, let's be sure to hit the like button. I'm not trying to go to El Salvador. Hey, very true, very true. Q, for options trading, do we really need to hit the... No, you don't need to hit the strike price. So as long as it moves towards, like it, as long as it moves enough to increase the value of the contract, then it doesn't need to hit your strike price. So it's what's most important is going to be paying attention to the value of the contract. So if it's $1 or $100 whenever you buy the contract, if the contract is now trading for $105, you're up $5 and you can sell out whenever you want. Milky Faye, good morning, good morning. All right, so we're starting the day selling off a little bit on Palantir. Yeah, we got this gap. All right, so this morning we got support on the SPY around 560. Google still kind of in motion. See, did I? All right, so Palantir starting the day off with an early sell. Would you mind looking at SCHD? I would like to get more shares. I mean, yeah, we can take a look at that. Let's see. I mean, if you're looking long term, this looks like a decent level. It's like it can get cheaper, but if you're long, this is a good level. It's like, of course, it can come down like to 24 again, but this is a good level in my eyes. Yeah, it's not like a big mover. The next demand zone, like the edge of it is at a 24.46. So beyond that, I don't. That's all I would say. Yeah, about 24.46 or so. So yeah, just dollar cost average, all that good stuff. All right, just looking long. Okay. All right, real quick, let's see. All right. Yeah, so I feel like we're, for the most part, opening pretty flat. Let me get Google back up here on the charts. All right, we got a lot of red on the chart in my eyes. Oh, hold on. I got like a group I need to mute. Send way too many notifications. All right, cool. All right, watching Hood and Apple this week instead of, interested in Palantir for options. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's take a quick look at Hood. They already announced their earnings, so okay. So it looks like the current range, I would say hood support's going to be around 45, 45 or maybe 46 actually. Or here, actually, I'll just put it at 45. And then resistance on the day, probably going to be about 49. And then taking a look at Apple. So Apple, we got support at like 202. The resistance at like 205. Him's dropping fast. No, I don't give signals. It's like I'll say like what trades I make, but I don't give signals. All right, yeah, we got Palantir selling off. Time, hey, you're welcome. Sonya, good morning. You said core weave looking nice. Yeah, it's moving up, but it's almost oversold. Actually looks like it's in a supply zone. If you look at it, this level right here continued the downtrend. Now, if you take that and extend it, I mean, it can still move up some more, but that's in a supply zone. All right. I'm going to go to like a 30-minute on the SPY. Yeah, a lot of consolidation right now. Go to a 30 on the Qs. Qs look like it's trying to push a little bit. Okay, Google looks like it's trying to go somewhere too. A little bit. Go to a 30 on Google. Oh yeah, Google's looking. Yeah, Google pretty much took off at open. Big Red's Grand Rising. Oh, we're like 8 minutes in the market open. Oh yeah, we got AMD earnings this week too. Let me check in on that. Hold on, let me see what this is on AMD. Let me see what this big zone is. What this is demand zone? Oh yeah, that's not valid. Let me get rid of that. Honestly, like just kind of looking at the trend, this might be a good short for AMD. Like looking on a weekly chart, I'm not gonna like jump ahead, but yeah, if their earnings don't go too well, might have to jump in on some puts. Hey, what's up, Chef Nick? Evil Knievel, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel a little zapped right now, energy-wise. Yeah, Palantir was a good short at open. Oh, hold up. I think we got some data like in 5 minutes. We got final services PMI in 5 minutes, and ISM services, that's a red folder. That's 30 minutes in the market open. So hey, good for us to just chill here. Dang, I think Apple is crossing lower right now. Let's see. Yeah, Apple's below that 202. Let's see where the next area to the downside is for Apple. Here, yeah, let me watch Apple a little bit closer. They might be actually they're kind of oversold. Yeah, we'll give Apple a little bit. Yeah, we're kind of selling off a little bit. Take a look at crowd. They seem to be. Do they? Here, let's see. I'll say they kind of look similar to Google. If we go to a 30, let's see. Yeah, they look very pretty similar. I mean, crowd's a little in the green though, whereas Google's a little in the red. Their movement's similar. Apple's down hard, waiting for a good spot to jump in the calls for a quick scalp. Yeah, Apple's feeling it. I'll wait for some kind of like pullback to the. Or you said for calls. If you're looking for a spot to short, I would say I will wait for like a pullback to the EMA, but calls, I don't know. Oh, Tesla's selling off too. Yeah, crowd is pushing. Is there like a? I don't see any news. Yeah, but CrowdStrike, it's pushing compared to everything else. Only thing I see in the green, we got EA, AMD, SoFi a little bit, Boeing. Oh, sorry, y'all. Got a little distracted. Dang. Yeah, Google is running. Google and Crowd. Yo, they're like straight up. All right, let's see. Nvidia is going to go green within the hour. Are they running up too? Here, let's see. Yeah. Nvidia, Google, Nvidia just closed the gap though. Or Nvidia is closing the gap. CrowdStrike, Google, and yeah, CrowdStrike and Google didn't do anything. All right, y'all. So this is not a part of the challenge, but I grabbed like a quick day trade kind of thing. Let me see. I grabbed did I take a screenshot? I grabbed a 554 put that expires tomorrow on the SPY. This is intended to be like a quick day trade. I'm hoping we can at least get some sort of move to like 560. Just grabbed a 554 put expiring tomorrow. On SPY. Paid 83 per share. There we go. AMD is up too. They got some news that either Google or Meta is adopting their chips. Interesting. Oh, so yeah, AMD should. I think everyone's gonna get some AMD too. They don't want to just have all Nvidia. They usually try to get two. Microsoft's running up too. Okay, Microsoft's at about 46. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just start watching on the side. Looks like everything's trying to run, so just kind of casually watch stuff. Just cause yeah, we got too many cooks in the kitchen running right now. Yeah, so I think the main ones for me today is gonna be like the Spy, Palantir, just to see kind of how it does. Having like I don't think I'm like too trade heavy. Oh, Apple too. Want to see if Apple can pull back up here for a potential short, but otherwise we'll just kind of let it do its thing. All right, so we got about 12 minutes till we get more data. And then let's see. PCE is up a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to a 4 hour on these stocks that are running. Yeah, it's like they pulled back to their 13 EMA. They just they took off. I'm in a Coke 68 put expires on the 23rd. Also using a I don't really know much about those candles. I feel like I may have looked at them before and I'm like, oh, back to the regular candles. The only thoughts I would say about those candles is I feel like it is pretty common. I feel like these candles, these regular candles are pretty common because, like, I would just say for a reason because they're they do a great job telling the story, and they're kind of the easiest to understand. I felt like I looked at those and it's like you gotta find like some alternative source to learn how to read those properly. But let's look at Coke real quick. You said for the 23rd. Oh, Coke is making progress to your area. It's like I don't necessarily see anything that's pushing it there. It's like closer to being oversold than overbought, but it's it's cool. All right, so we got Apple below 200 right now. Apple is just hey, it's falling like a rock. Sort of liking them. I have both charts up to compare. I mean, yeah, it's like if you take the time and you get used to them, hey, that's all you. You might have to start your own YouTube channel and kind of. Or I think you kind of have one. I was like, I think you might have to start your own and like kind of show everyone what's up. Once you kind of learn them, think Palantir will hit 135 or higher this week. Yeah, if Palantir if Palantir ends up like it's like technically on the charts, Palantir looks like yo they're due for like a pretty decent pullback, but it's like yo I know Palantir can break those levels and I'll just kind of leave them to do what they do. We'll see what happens after earnings. May pay more attention to it. I just want to see how they move and what they do. Do you think SoFi is going to be in the green today? SoFi is like trading in a range. Let's see. So I have like support at like 1230 and resistance at 1291. And it looks like it opened at about 12. I guess like I don't know. I guess it green would be 1271. It's very well possible. I don't think SoFi is going to like go crazy until it breaks out of this range. So I think SoFi is going to stay in this range today. So I honestly can't say. It's like SoFi is in a demand zone, but also is trading below the 13 EMA. So until like it can get a close above like right now, I would say above like 1270. It's kind of just teasing. I do have one. Need to do more. I need more subscribers. Only 3 so far. Also, you know so much about so much. I'm not ready for the pressure just yet. If you think you're not ready, you'll never be ready. It's like you just gotta start and like kind of learn as you go. It's like I didn't know. I still don't know everything. It's like I get asked questions and then it just kind of forces me to learn on the spot. It's like a lot of y'all teach me a lot of stuff, and the best way to learn is like to put yourself under pressure. The best way to level up. It's like if you look kind of at the economic conditions right now, or if I don't know if you were to take yourself in economic conditions right now and then go back to 2020, I'm sure the majority of y'all with what y'all know now could probably get rich. It's like tough times create like they create pressure. So, times aren't going to be tough forever, and whenever you get used to the pressure, you just kind of keep doing your thing, and then things get kind of, the pressure gets released. And as that pressure gets released, you'll start doing your thing. You'll start realizing, I'm doing something. And yeah, it's like the time is now in my eyes. The time is now. It's like you may not have a following, but it's like once you do, it's like it'll. I don't know what to say, but it's like it's almost like a little bit of validation. It's like, what do you know that I don't know? Maybe your family doesn't know. It's like I think I started out like and even now when I make stuff, I'm like, yo, I want to have a video for my friends so I can tell them about this thing, but I don't want to keep saying the same thing over and over again. So now it's like I'm like, hey, watch this video I made. I made it with you in mind, and I was hoping you would one day get here. All right, so let's see. Is AMD a buy before earnings? I mean, is it a buy? That kind of comes down to your long term, or yeah, what you think long term. The questions I think we need to ask right now is, can AMD go lower? Are you okay with it going lower? If you're okay with AMD going lower, I was like, yeah, I would say it's a buy. But if you're asking, is AMD going to go up big after earnings? Hey, we don't know. We'll have to wait and see. It's like kind of anything can happen. It's like we have these companies doing well right now, but we also have this pressure looming. The big thing this week, we take a quick look at the week on kind of expectations. We do have news here in like 3 minutes, so be alert for that. But skipping ahead to Wednesday. Hold up. Skipping ahead to Wednesday, we got the federal funds rate. So, and they're expected to keep it the same. If they keep it the same, they're expected to keep it the same, kind of depending on what goes on throughout all of this, what kind of stuff is said. That could send us back down. So just be kind of aware of it. Just be aware of it. Let's see. All right. Yo, who is? Oh, that sounds like somebody's having a party outside. Hold up. I gotta like sneak a peek out my window. Never mind. Never mind. All right, let's see. Levi, good morning. Spy about in call range. Yeah, they could if they take off here. Yeah, they could. All right, let's see. I have a YouTube channel. Hey, good stuff. Love to hear it. First off, my niche is RC planes. All right, that's cool. RC planes. I've never flown an RC plane, but I've like when it comes to drones, hey, I'm all over that. I feel like a plane would be a little bit more difficult to fly. Hold on. All right, so we got data in like 2 minutes. Also, yeah, if y'all like RC planes, hey, check out Evil Knievel, family. Oh, anything RC. Okay, that's nice. Dang, I had like this RC car that kind of went crazy. That went crazy like a couple months ago. I gave it to a friend. Shoot, I could have sent it to you so you could I might have to hit you up next time I get something like that. I just do a review and then it's like, oh, Desert Air Dudes. Oh, that's a cool name, honestly. That sounds hype. I make and add videos mainly about the benefits of saving to invest. I have plenty of opinions on that. Become my 4th subscriber. I feel like I might be subscribed. I'm not fully sure. When was the last time you uploaded a video? Cause I feel like we had this conversation a long time ago. I think I might be. Cause it's like I see some of y'all when y'all post stuff. I usually try to, like, if I see it in my feed, I'll sometimes drop through and say what's up. Oh no, yeah, I'm subscribed. Oh no, I guess it's a different channel. It's not your MSense channel. You got 56 subscribers on that one. If it's a different one, I don't know which one you're talking about then. All right. All right, so Data should have just come out. Let's see. Okay, it looks like we might be pushing up. Let's see. All right, so Apple looks like it may have found a temporary bottom there. Cinco de Mayo partying. It's about to go down today. Plus, is my happy birthday to your daughter. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do any partying today. If we're being real though, I might get some good sleep in. I'm pretty boring. It's like I can be fun, but I'm pretty boring. I'm like chill. LT, good morning. These curves, this is M Sense. This is my channel name. Oh, the new 100. Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm subscribed to that one. I'll have to check real quick. Oh no, I'm subscribed to that one too. Yeah, so I'm one of the three. I can't make it four. Hey, you just gotta, hey, gotta get on that schedule, or like some level of consistency. First off, oh is that a class field trip? Hold up, I gotta be nosy, peek outside real quick. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like somebody's doing like a scavenger hunt outside. Crowd is still climbing. Yo, everything's going right now. Everything. SoFi is at the top of its range. I was just saying, like, I don't think SoFi is doing anything. Everything's running. Just subscribe to you. I fairly new, but studying long enough to understand. That's what's up, Edmund. Editing is a monster, and I just go off the tip of the head most of the time. Oh yeah, editing. Yeah, don't you don't have to tell me. I've been telling y'all I have this supply and demand video for y'all. I still got to cut through it. I'm like, dang. So yeah, it's you don't have to tell me, but yeah, it's like the better like if you don't like editing, if you get like some bullet points to talk about, it's not really a monster. Or if you're just going to talk about something like if you talk about something specific, it's there. Like it's a lot easier. There's some stuff I don't even touch editing on, or touch editing. It's like sometimes you just need to get stuff up. It's like in the beginning, it's not even you're not even supposed to be good at what you do. It's like you sometimes you just need reps. Because if you wait for perfection, it's like you'll never do anything. And that's kind of my some of my problem too. And it's like I know I'm not going to get perfection, so I'm like, yo, let me get some stuff up. So it sucks because it's like I want to be perfect, but I know I'm not. Yeah, I love filmmaking and editing. Editing. Hold on, I'm gonna have to check. Is no wait, hold up. Where's your other page name? It was hold up. Let me see. You said where did you say it was something like some dudes? Let me see. Where did was it? Where's the name? Oh, Desert Air Dudes. Okay, let me check that out real quick. Let's see. Take a quick look. Yeah, I think that pop may have been a fake out. Let's see. Okay. All right. Hold up. Let me. Oh, hold on. Let me stop. Yeah. Hey, we're in there. Hey, good stuff. Hey, I'm in there, M Sense. Let's go. Or not M Sense. I'm in there, Evil Knievel. Let's go. Facts 100 more time, and the better you get. Hey, 100%. Yeah, sometimes yeah, you just gotta go. Like go start moving things, start doing things. Hey, no problem, incense. Incense. Not I keep saying incense, no problem, Evil Knievel. Alright, let's kinda see. I still feel like we're very much chilling. What are your thoughts on Coke? It looks like what time frame will to the fee? Oh well, let's see. What time frame on Coke are you? Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. So yeah, you got like the head, and you got like shoulder. But it kind of here. Let me go. Let me try. Cause it's a little weird. It's like you got shoulder, head, but this shoulder is like not straight, whereas the other one's kind of straight. So it's like I don't know how to feel about it. I'm trying to look at it on different time frames. So it's like I'm not fully sure it's there, but it could be something. It might be. It's like you never get perfection out here. So yeah, it's like I see what you're talking about. It's just this throws me off a little bit, but I think it might be. I don't just trade chart patterns, but yeah, I think I see what you're talking about. Bro, where are all these people coming from? I feel like there's something going on downstairs. I almost want to see like, yo, what's going on? I'm gonna have to send my wife down there as an agent. I'm gonna be like, yo, go tell me what's going on. All right. That's facts. I do a live show every Friday and had to tell myself just to keep going. Hey, nice. Hey, what kind of live show do you do, Big Reg? I think when I first started this live stream, I had like I want to say like I think first day might have been like 13 people. I was like, okay. I mean, it's cool. Oh, y'all. I'm like, y'all still want to hang out this time? I'm like, hey, that's cool. And I think I've tried to do a live before, and I had like one or two people show up, and it's like, oh, at first it's like when you're doing lives and stuff, it's like, yo, what do I talk about? Like, what do we do? But it's like over time, it's like, oh, now we got people commenting. Now I don't have to think about like, oh, what should I go over and talk about? And then it's like, oh, it's okay to pause and like be quiet, and we don't have to like ride stuff all the way. Hey, no problem. Incense. Oh, TL. Good morning. You said you were thinking puts. Do I have any trading group? I got like a Discord. And I'll send you the link to it real quick. Yeah, I think my intention is to start doing more like even if you're in the free Discord, I think I might have like if I really don't feel like editing a video but I want to get the information out, I'm gonna start just posting information in the Discord and on the Patreon and like to the members here, just so I can just to get it out, but only to the people that want to see it. let's see. See, I mean, it might have something to do with Cinco de Mayo, but it's like, yo, it's 10 a.m. I'm in an apartment complex, and it's like, yo, I don't know. It's like, what are y'all doing this early here on a Monday morning? I don't know, an apartment complex. Yeah, I'm still on the lookout for that challenge though. That challenge trade. I'm gonna look for 10%, but also don't necessarily need it like right away. All right. Oh, how long have I been trading? About 6 years. What? This is 2025. This might be my set. Hold up. This this might be going on my seventh. I think I. Hold on. I really gotta think about this. I started investing late 2018, right? So started. I think this is. I would say 6 years. Yo, where are all these people coming from? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just looking out this window. I'm like, yo, there's another one, and another one. I'm like, wow, these people are like coming in like ants. I'm like, who invited all these people? Luckily, they don't look like bad people. I'm just like, yo, where are these people coming from? All right, let's see. Let me write all these channels down. I'm about to be new subscribing. I cover sports, Marvel, and a few other. Okay. Is it on your channel? Is it on the Big Reg host of a? Oh, that would make sense. I normally just read Big Reg. I don't normally read the whole name, but like looking at your name, yeah, that makes sense. Let me see what's up. I feel like YouTube doesn't really like a lot of people I'm subscribed to though. They don't really show me. Hold up, let's see. Okay, yeah, I see your lives. Okay. Yeah, it's weird. You'll like click on the channel and it'll show like it'll go straight to the videos, but I see you're active with the lives. I'm in there. All right. Gloria, good morning. May 5th. I'm trying to tell you, and in Dallas. Oh no, yeah. I was like, hey, we'll see. We'll see. I want to get some stuff done today, but also, if there is food to be had and like shoot, if there are anybody is providing free tacos, I might be there. Hey, that's what I'm there for. I'm there for the food. If the food is right, hey, I'm rolling through. Especially if it's downstairs in a little clubhouse. Yeah, I'll take that. And then if I don't know you, if it's like, oh yeah, it's only certain people invited. Hey, well y'all just made a new friend. Oh, I can have some. Oh, how kind of you. And just like that, I'm making tacos, burritos today come through, bro. Whenever they get like the little teleportation on point or teleportation going, once they get that stuff taken care of, my goodness, bro, this is a game changer. I look forward to the day that I don't need a car. It was like semi nice being in Europe. Like for a little bit, I was really liking the metros and stuff. Josh, good morning. DGZ, good morning. Oh, let me look at this data real quick. I know we got it. Hold on, Liz. Oh, hold on. All right, there we go. Okay, so ISM was Looks like it was good. We might not do anything. I'd be telling, hey, I'm telling you, bro. Yeah, imagine what would happen to these airlines. That'd be trouble. NYC subway system is nasty, but I do not like having to drive. Ah, yeah, no, yeah, it's like Hey, one thing I'll say, like I see some like crazy stuff. That happens on the subway in New York, but yo, I've seen some kind of similar stuff in like in the London metros. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, yo, I was not a fan, and then Loki, I've seen some nasty stuff in the Portugal one too. I wouldn't say not as bad as what I saw in like London, but it's like in Portugal too. It's like I don't know. It's great transportation, but also I don't know how to. I don't just shake my head to some of them. All right, let's see. Is that a paid site? Can you post a link? Um, are you talking about this right here? This is tradingview.com. So it's a free website. I mean, it is paid, but it's free at the same time. Like you can use it for free. You might have to actually like do like the HTTPS slash thing, whatever you have to put in there. All right, let's see. I really want to go to Tokyo and try theirs. Yeah, yeah, I want to go to Tokyo's a big one for me. That's going to be like my next like big one. Like I want to do like a month, not just Tokyo. I want to do a month in Japan, and I want to like hit different spots. But I feel like I want a whole month to enjoy the spots. I want to like hit their islands and stuff too. Oh no, yeah, yeah. The Japanese, hey, very clean, very clean. It's like I mess with it. I would consider myself a very clean person too, but I'm probably not. I'm honest. I'm gonna be real. I'm probably not on that level, but it's like I wouldn't. I take a lot of inspiration. Never been to Europe, but almost moved to Azores. What island? It was like I went to Sao Miguel. Hey, it's a vibe, but I know a lot of the locals. It's hard for them out there. Like it's really hard. I there needs to be like more development for like the locals and not just like the tourists, because it's like it's all like everything out there is pretty much all for tourists. And I don't know, it's a bit of a struggle. Loki, I got stranded in the Azores a little bit. My flight got delayed like 2 days. It was very welcome. I was very like welcoming of that delay because my wife and I very much enjoyed it. The airport, the airline paid for our food in our hotel. So it's like, yeah, we got two extra free days of vacation aside from the fact that my wife was feeling a little sick. JP, good morning. What's the best city in Europe to? Honestly, I haven't like when I say Europe, I haven't like gone to all the Europe countries. I've been to like maybe four or five. Um, Best city out of the ones I've been to. Oh, it depends on what you define best. Like I went to like uh, I don't know if it's like the areas I went to, and like it has to do with the people I was with, but like I would say like I want to say it's called like Malaga in Spain or whatever. It was kind of cool. It was nice. I think like all around like Portugal was really nice. I like I don't even know. I can't even remember what they're called. Like the Algarve coast and whatnot. That's pretty nice too. And Lisbon's cool, but I'm not like too big on cities. Oh shoot, hey everybody yo, if you got a YouTube channel and you potentially want subscribers, yo, post it down here. I lived in Okinawa, Japan for 3 years. Were you in the military or did you just go out there just to go out there? All right. Here, let me take a look at this on like a 15-minute chart. See what's going on here. We're like moving up a little bit. Yeah, it's like we have selling pressure at here. I'm gonna move resistance up here to like 564 on the SPY. We got a lot of selling pressure right there. Let's see if we can get above that. Let's see how we're looking on the 5-minute chart. We are pushing up on the 5. Let's see. I was 16 at the same time. At the time my dad was in the Marines. Interesting. I feel like that would be hard. Like being 16 and like I don't know if you moved from America like over there, but it's like I feel like that would be hard. I do YouTube videos too, but you don't know how to continue. What do you mean by that, Lau? Also, appreciate you not just being a lurker, Lau. Um, let's see. Yes, I'll subscribe. Only one I didn't find was Big Reg. Big Reg is his channel. Like, if you just click on his name, Big Reg, host of Big Boy Talk. Um, he doesn't post that many like videos, but if you click on the live tab, he goes live. I guess every Friday. So his is the one he uses in this stream or in this chat. You might want to check it out. SKX Sketchers is trading higher after agreeing to be acquired by 3G Capital. What is 3G Capital? Let's see. Hey, look at that. SoFi went hit resistance and then hey, it looks like it's having trouble. All right. Hold on. Actually, I'm not like really watching the cues like that today. Let's swap out code. You say SKX? Dang. Okay. I liked it. Big culture shock, Japan. No, yeah, I am yeah, I like that. I like that too. Like but yeah, I definitely want to get out there. Your complex may be having something. So I don't know. I'm very cool with our like the people who run our complex. Like they didn't tell me about anything. I haven't seen any emails and like I got all their phone numbers. And like there have been occasions that I've like hung out with them on the weekends and we've gone out and eaten and stuff. I don't feel like they would just have anything. Or at least not at this time. Not to mention they gotta work. So I don't think it's like specifically like my complex. It's like honestly I could probably text them and be like, yo, what's going on down there? But also try not to bother them. Like this is their busy season because it's warming up. People want to come look at apartments. What's your take on SPY? I think we may have found resistance. We got a lot of resistance at this like 464 kind of level. So I'm really interested to see kind of how it goes. But I feel that we're coming to 560 today, but we'll see. We will see. My channel is the Casey Noah. I post. Oh, nice. Let's see. See, I don't see why y'all don't want to come through here in y'all's from y'all's YouTube channels. That's here. Let me see. I used to be big on photography. I used to do photo shoots and stuff. But that doesn't really go too well with the wife when you're doing photo shoots. It's like mainly women that want photo shoots. They have some with guys, but it's like it's like I'm not trying to deal with all this. The Casey Noah. And it's like any girl who tells you she's chill with it, she's not. Oh, nice. I see. Oh, yeah. Miami, Paris, Costa del Sol, Rome, London, Italy, Monaco. Hey, let me find out. I may get to the point where I might want some assistance. Just me having y'all's channels might be like, oh, I know just the person. Part of the community. Come work with me, homie. All right. This week our complex is having a Mother's Day brunch for the mothers. Oh, that would be nice. What do you think about gold today? So I'm going to let you know, if you don't already, I'm not a good one to talk to about gold. I can look at it, but it's like I kind of just say, oh. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it. So it's back above. So honestly, you got gold popping up. I feel like it's popping up because the market people are preparing for the market to pull back. Because the market is at some key levels. So it's like, honestly, I can see it retracing to this level. Not today, but maybe after Wednesday when we get the kind of announcement. Maybe not, but it's like I can see it trending higher, but on the day I have no idea. You said, "Wow, my channel just doubled." Hey, good stuff. Hey, can't upset the subscribers though. Maybe start. I think when I first started my YouTube channel, where I was getting my video ideas from were like blog posts. Like, I don't know, say it was like, 10 ways to save money, bro. I legit just kind of like, it's like, if they're like, oh yeah, drop money in a piggy bank. Oh yeah, skip Starbucks, stuff like that. I just took the bullet points and kind of just made them my own a little bit, and I just made a video. It's like, I think the easiest thing that you can do is like if you looking for ideas and whatnot or stuff to talk about, it's like, hey, what kind of questions do I have? Like, just start off answering questions. Like, it's like, what does my family not understand? And like kind of show it and look at that. Okay, got a little. Hold on, let me find out. Took a paper trade on that Google call. I think you were in last week. Yeah, Google is it's very on. Hold up, where? Yeah, Google is very on though. Yeah, I was supposed to be going towards that 169. Don't worry, I'm about to get back to my swing trading ways. I'm waiting for like a good setup. If this wasn't like earnings, I would be in a put on Palantir. But yeah, so I'm not playing into earnings. But whenever I see setups like this, I'm taking them on this little challenge account. And let's actually do the math right now. So here, I'm starting a challenge. What is it called? Interest calculator. Oh no, it was compound interest calculator. There we go. Oh, it did not. Okay, there we go. Compound interest calculator. All right, so let me show y'all the plan. All right. So we start with $200, right? Or that's what I'm doing. 52-week challenge. Do kind of a video, a weekly video about it. Monthly contribution. There is not going to be one. Length of time in years. This says years, but the goal here is to achieve it in weeks. So we can't change the time frame, but all you do is like in your head change years to week. And then, all right, 52 weeks in a year. Estimated interest rate, we're going for 10% a week. All right. And it says length of time in years. It says compound frequency annually represents a year. So this is going to be the same in this situation as doing it weekly. So now we're going to hit calculate. And this is how it would grow. So starting with $200, this is how it would compound if you're able to gain 10% on it every week. And I'm not going to lie, it's like as it goes on, it gets a lot more difficult. But to set you on a path, and it seems so easy at first. It's like later on you start having to use more money, and it's like the things that worked earlier may not work the same amount because it's like, oh, I don't want to throw that much in. But it's like you learn and grow as it goes. So looking at it, the first week, or like right now, we're kind of first day, week 0. All right, we're at $200. 10% on that brings us to 220. 10% on 220 brings us to 242. 10% on 242 brings us to 226. And it's like if you take the rule of 72 and kind of divide it, I think the rule of 72 is like take a 72 divided by the interest rate or whatever, and that's how much it takes to double it. That means around week 7 or so, it should be doubled. So at week 7, or actually I think like 7.2. So right here at week 8, you can see it's already doubled. So it should take them about another 7 to 8 weeks to double again. So week 16 should be like 800 or 850 or something like that. So yeah, it's doubled again. It's at 9, whatever. If you want it to double again or want this 918 to double again, add another 7 weeks. Wait, what was that? That was week like 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's about 1800. Take us to week 30. It should double again. Yeah, so that's kind of the power of compounding. And it's like you don't need to go crazy for it to actually go crazy. So that's kind of the goal. It's like it starts out kind of simple, but it's like over time, it's like, oh dang, this thing kind of grew a little bit. So that's what's up. Netflix shares or Tumblr? What's up with Netflix? Hold up. Is there a reason for that? Or Netflix shares fell 5% in pre-market trading after President Trump proposed 100% import. Oh, wow. On foreign films. Oh, that's kind of wild. Yeah, because if you take like Squid Games and stuff like that, that would, oh, that's kind of, yeah. They're talking wild. Okay, let's see. Do you believe Tesla will pull back up soon today? I don't think so, but let's see. I haven't really looked at the chart. So actually, if we look at Tesla here, Tesla actually pulled up and perfectly hit this trend line. like perfectly. Actually, what day was it? Hold on, let me slide this out of the way. This was on Friday. Oh, that was a good short on Friday. All right, so we got support down here at about 270, and then if they break 270, they'll probably keep falling till at least like 260. So right now, I wouldn't expect it to like go up like that. All right, with the government student loans payments starting back up, do you think SoFi will have a big run? If we get like some lowered interest rates, yeah, I think SoFi can run. Like I think. Oh, I need to look more into it, but I also like saw some stuff about like if you get a paycheck, apparently they're going to start, like, I think it was actually maybe as of today or something, like paychecks from here, if you have student loans that need to be paid, they're just going to start like similar to the way they take like Medicaid and Social Security out of your paychecks. I think they were going to start doing that towards your payments for like if you have like federal student loans and stuff like that. So I think that'll be something interesting to watch. So we'll have to see. Crazy, I got the star for the new 100. I was still figuring out how this whole name and channel thing worked. Oh, I got you. I was like, I didn't know what the star went. Okay, I got you. Uber is still looking bullish. Possible bull flag forming. Are you talking on the day? Yeah, Uber's running. They're very. Hold up. Okay, let's hold up. Let's see what we got in here. All right, this is a large. They're in a large supply zone. Like when I say a large supply zone, I just mean like it's a big range. So it'd be more ideal if they were up at 87, but yeah. Trump issued movie tariffs. You got a video on that compound? Not yet. I got an old video on the other one. Here, let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can let's see. I gotta like go back. Let's see. Let me sort by the oldest. Let's see. Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew. Wow, things are. Hey, I'm gonna throw y'all. This video is from 5 years ago. That's kind of crazy. I'm gonna just throw this in the description to those of y'all who want to see kind of the beginnings. But I think I kind of explained it towards the end of the video. I am not fully sure. I'll have to like check in on that. There will be an updated kind of video, but I am not fully sure. Okay, so SPY is like testing that resistance. We'll see kind of how it does here. If it like continues to push on, if it doesn't, we'll see. Netflix is such, yeah, Netflix is expensive. I just look at it. I don't trade it right now. It's like maybe one day, but nah. Are you gonna be doing this challenge through the live streams or so whenever it comes to the videos about it, it's like if I see the opportunity for a trade while I'm live, I will do it on the live stream, but it's like what I do on the live stream, that's I would say it's more like more kind of forced a little bit. I really want to kind of relax and just wait for when I just see something that I'm like, oh yeah, this will give 10%, and something I feel comfortable maybe just like setting my setting my like 10% like take profit levels like as soon as I get in the trade or something. And then it's like ideally on like Fridays or Saturdays or maybe Sundays. I don't know. It's like I gotta edit it too. But it's like so it would just depend on what day, but it's like ideally either Friday, Saturday or Sunday. Um I got the video like up and edited, and you can kind of see how the week has gone. Thoughts on QQQ today? So the range wasn't like as, or I guess this is what I saw for the range, like 482 to 489, but it's kind of smaller than I thought it was. It's not really doing anything. I don't really have like too many thoughts on QQQ. It's like I say resistance is up here at 489 and support's down here at 482. It's right in the middle of the range. That's all I can say. Good morning. SPY looks a little kind of. SPY looks like it's trying to push up. Looks like it's trying to push up now. Garnish your paycheck just like child support. Saw you got a SPY put. Yeah, I thought we were. But if we break out here, I'm probably gonna close that out. It had looked like we were going down, but nah, it looks like we might run up now. Okay. Think about this. If those tariffs are for foreign films, include digital streaming, Netflix will be crazy. Oh, also filming outside the states would. Yeah, that's very wild, Jason. Like, yeah, that'll like destroy Netflix. Like the valuation Netflix is at, that will call for like major puts. Okay, cool. Is the target for the challenge 10%? And each week. Um, nah, it's like I've tried like I tried a variation of the challenge when it was like 10% each trade, and it's like I kind of like wanted to do a video each week, and it's like I had like a solid run. I was like I think I had like solid like 8 trades where I did it, and then I was just like, oh dang, yeah, I did all this in like it was like a matter of a week. So I had like already like recorded and edited like 8 videos for like 8 weeks just in the first week, and I don't know, it didn't go well. So I feel like sometimes like I feel like there's kind of importance in like slowing down, not forcing things, and it's like if you expect to do it every trade, it's like yo, you can get in a trade one day, and then the same day go look for another one, and I feel like you just kind of get greedy and want to like slowness and patience is kind of important. He said SoFi is stalling. Yeah, I don't know what to expect today. Like I don't know what I don't know what game they're trying to run right now. Like I feel on the week. Here, let me take one more look at the SPY real quick. All right, so I still feel like we can push up to this like 571 level on the SPY, but so actually like I can't even say we're going to necessarily go down like that yet, but I was thinking we could at least come like test this 560 support. What was it? Definitely, I'm looking forward to it because I'm also starting with a small account and I've been trying to build it. Okay. Move probably after 10. Yeah, let's see. I know you said at 8 we might see something on the spy. Oh, okay. Forget we're in different time zones. 41 lurkers trying to get us to El Salvador. Hey, yo. Hey, be sure to. Hey, if we're here lurking, if we're here on stream, if you can hear my voice and you have not smashed that like button, yo, what are you doing? Smash that like button. We gotta be free from the depths of El Salvador. CCOT. Oh yeah, we got 50 lurkers. That's a lot of lurkers. If you feel like a stock is going sideways, you could do an iron condor. That you could. That you could. Yeah, that is something you can do too. Sell premium. Yeah, honestly, yeah. However you want to get your 10%, yo, you can get your 10%. So iron condors, if that's your game, that's not off the should not be off the table for you. Hold All right, let's see. 50 lurkers is crazy. I'm saying, bro, it's like I always get the idea or I always get the picture of like, yo, I am in a room. There's 125 people in here. And there's like a solid 50 of them just like looking at me. And I don't know whether they want to like they might want to eat me. They could be cannibals. They might be killers. They might be friendly. I don't know. Maybe they want to give me like some kind of fruit basket or something. Or some flowers or some candy or something. But I don't know. Just the fact that they could be cannibals or they could be out to like execute a hit on me. Something about it just makes me uneasy, you know. All right, Palantir pushed back up a little bit. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to throw a hoodie on. It's actually a little bit cool in here. Y'all, this morning was a good morning. I woke up not tired. I was out of my apartment by like 4:30. Got to get my full workout in. Got a run in, and got like some. I wouldn't even say it was there was lifting involved, but I wouldn't even say it was like full like lifting. It was like I did like some kind of different workout today. It was different. Let's go look at earnings again. All right. So once again, today after hours, Big one I see. We got Palantir. We got Hims. Hey, we got Ford today. I always get people asking me about Ford. A lot of people, when they're new, they ask about Ford a lot. Oh yeah, we got Ford today. All right, hold up. Just read up on iron condors, and that seems like a lot of work. Um. Oh, okay. You're asking. Okay. Yeah, that is not. No, it's not anything I personally do, but it's like it works. It's you get to pick kind of your own stuff. But going back to it tomorrow before open, we got Celsius. Uh, let's see who else we got. We got AMD after close tomorrow. Super Micro, SMCI. We got Tempest AI. To those of you Nancy Pelosians. We got Rivian. Hold up, gotta be nosy again. All right, let's see. Yeah, we got Hims after close. But yeah, it says the most anticipated earnings for this week. Palantir, AMD, SMCI, Hims, AppLovin, Celsius, Uber, Trade Desk, Carvana, and Coinbase. Yo, the SPY is like pinned at this level. I feel like it hasn't, like it's like trying, but it hasn't done anything. But if we confirm here, I might make this my first trade. If it confirms, I might go for it. Oh, I actually got 203 in this account, but hey, it is what it is here. I'm gonna take a screenshot just so I can. There we go. Oh no, it's not trying to. Doesn't look like it's trying to confirm. All right, let's see. I stopped buying risky calls puts. Now I'm just doing iron condors and poor man's covered calls. Hey, as long as you got your thing, it's honestly like just be consistent in what you're doing. Hey, you'll get to the bread. I think that's wise of you, Lemon. I expect AMD and Celsius to rock it up, and Palantir. How do you think Apple is going to react at this fair value gap? Here, let's see. I feel like Apple's going to continue to sell off until it gets to, maybe like, 193, 194. I think it's just going to continue to fall. Actually, there's 195 there. Actually, I feel like Apple can continue to fall to like 195. I was like, I would kind of check in and revisit, see how things are doing there. All right. Oh wait, you just asked that. Here, let me take a look at AMD on not AMD Palantir. Let's see it on the monthly, bro. On the monthly, AMD is like they're bought up to 95, 55. That's kind of wild. Let me clear that. Actually, let me see what that looks like. Oh no, yeah, we're gonna leave that there. Yeah, that's kind of wild. Let's see it on the weekly. Oh, hold on. Okay. All right. So now it looks like we confirmed up here. So it's like you can like go in on calls here. I would like to see a pullback to this EMA on the 5 minute. And I need to close out the puts. Nah, I'll take those for a ride. Like that's those puts I got, they were kind of like a little gamble. Yo, I just watched a bird just like jump off the roof into the gutter and just like hopped in there like it's a pool. All right, let's see. Palantir was overbought last quarter. Yeah, I'm saying yeah, that's why I'm not going against it. It's like yeah, Palantir can yeah, it can defy the charts if it wants to. We did get like a double, almost a double bottom over here. And it looks like that double bottom may be turning into a double top as well. Yeah, this looks like a good place to sell. Yeah, let's see. So this is what we saw on Palantir before that last drop. We got this like kind of divergence. So on the 4 hour, we got like one like we got way up here on the 4 hour, like over here. First day was this peak over here at 104. Next time was a couple days later at, or then I guess the next day, got up to 85 at about 116. Happened the third time, got up to like 76 at 118. And then the final move before the drop was we got to 86 and we kind of got up to 125. And that was after earnings. So from earnings, we went up like another $20. So we got like one little hump, two little humps, three little humps. Yo, it's kind of making that fourth hump right now. Like just kind of looking at last time. Don't bet against a winning horse, Palantir. I'd be trying to look and see if there is something like out there that's just yeah, there's not even anything crazy that looks like it's worth it. All right, so let's see if we can get a retest of 564. All right, let me slide this down. 564 or so. And that looks like it may be go for upside. PayPal and AMD looking solid. What's PayPal looking like? AMD kind of moving a little slow because I've been watching AMD on the side today. Where's PayPal? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's a good move for PayPal. Hustle Hard Realtor, good morning, good morning. Yo, we are. Here, I'm gonna bring it down. Just have two charts on here for now. Felt a little overwhelmed with the information on the screen. What time frame do you use? Predominantly the 4 hour. I don't know why I'm on the 1 hour right now. Yeah, predominantly the 4 hour. Yeah, I might, oh, hold up. So real quick, let's see. So options, wait, what's today, the 5th? So this Friday is the 9th, next Friday is the 16th. Got a 19. Oh yeah, that's pretty solid. All right, yeah. So if we get a pullback, I think I may have found my what move I'm going to make. Do you think SPY is going to come to fill the gap? I think there's a good chance. I think there is. I think we might get like a retest, or I think we could get a retest of this. This EMA over here. Then after that, I think we could go on and just kind of continue up. Oh, there's not like a clear trend line on the day. But yeah, I think we can pull back and continue up. All right, so we're getting our pullback right now. All right. I said we're getting our pullback, but it wasn't really a pullback. It just kind of came down just a little bit. First black candle we've had in a moment. Low key got a gap to about 563.78. That hasn't been filled. Or let's see. Let's go to a 15. Or let's say we got a gap to no. I guess we don't. Hey, we just play patience. We got 24 minutes till market close. Not market close. Euro close. All right, so little pullback action here. That's looking good. Let me check the delta. Oh, I don't like the theta though. Pull on back. Let's go. Come on. Pull back a little bit more. Here, let's see. Since April 21st, SPY has been on a bit of a rip. Looking at the date. Yeah, SPY has been going crazy. SPY has been going crazy. It looks like the next chance we really have to kind of alter that would be Wednesday. Cause yeah, the SPY is the SPY is that horse you don't want to bet against right now. SoFi and Microsoft trying to bake. Oh, it's SoFi? Here, let's see. Dang. Yeah, Microsoft's still trying to push too. Yeah, SoFi has had a string of green candles. All right, yeah, pull on back, SPY. Come on. Here, let's see. All right, getting a little pullback. Pulling back a little bit more. Let's go. Keep pulling back. Yeah, let's see what it's gonna do. You think SPY 557, 555 for support on? I think it depends on what time frame you're on. Cause I got like 560 first. There's some at 560. Yeah, there's more at 557. Yeah, there's more at 555. But yeah, it's like I would watch 560 before that. But yeah, I would think there's, yeah, those are support levels. All right, SPY trying to. Oh, we got like what is it? Got like 15 minutes to Euro close. SPY doesn't know what it wants. Hey, if we can pull back and get like a retest, I'm cooling with that. I feel like on the, like when you back out, zoom out and look at the day, I think SPY is just gonna kind of continue to melt up into earnings. But I was just trying to get a pullback entry. But yeah, SPY is in an uptrend right now on the lower time frames, or like honestly on the day, the whole days since it's been open, it's been on an uptrend. On the 5 minute, it's still selling off. It's cool. What's Google doing? Oh, hold up. What, this is a 5 minute? Yeah, we might have a little short action right here. Like just looking at this Google chart. Let me look at Google. Let me go see what it looks like on the. Nah, it doesn't look the same. Leave that alone for now. Google has resistance. Yeah, we'll see what Google does. Looks like, yeah, it looks like it's kind of getting ready to pull back. Why is this not? Oh, there we go. It's like, honestly, this is like the next level of support. 164 on Google. It's like I'm not fully sure, like on a lower time. If this was a 4 hour, I might be like, oh yeah, it looks like a solid move on Google. But this is a 5 minute. I'm gonna watch it. right, so we're hold up, let's see. Yeah, so we're still kind of chilling right here. 564, about 50 or so. Waiting on a little pullback. It's looking like we found support. 13 minutes to Euro close. Yeah, we're just here. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. It's the middle of a trade for me. I make like I'm trying to. I feel like the stream is bad for me. It's like this is how I look at things. I shouldn't be looking at this on that for that account. Let me roll through my list. We'll still keep looking at the SPY, but I'm gonna roll through my list on the 4 hour. So hold up, let's see. AMD, Microsoft. This is middle ground. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's a. Yeah, it's like honestly today may be a like no move day. Right, let's see. Yo, Apple's kind of getting there. Let me take this and mark this over here. Here, while I'm at 200, let me mark the extreme down there at pretty much 190. Let's see what else we got. We're at Apple. SoFi. Yeah, because right now we're not really doing much. Yeah, this is chop. All right, once again, Palantir. Yo, it looks ready, but I'm not taking that chance. Not earnings wise. Honestly, even after the last earnings, there was still a chance to get in. So, let's see, we got Tesla's, Boeing. Oh, let me see what's going on here. I don't know about Boeing. I feel like I heard something about a lot of politicians buying calls or loading up on Boeing. Yo, Boeing's just extra choppy. And honestly, if I look at Boeing, last thing I see is they pull back to this demand zone. They're kind of they've been stringing blue candles every week. That paired with the like hearing that the politicians are like buying into it. Yeah, that's going to be a nod from me, even if it does look overbought on the 4 hour. It hasn't lost its momentum yet on the weekly, so we'll leave that alone. Earnings could already be. Honestly, Lemon, I feel like it is, but it's like I'm not trying to take that chance. That's all. It's like I think there's opportunity, but there should like the good thing about 10% is it's a little bit easier to hop in and ride a trend if you're going for 10% as opposed to like 30 or something. Does the Fed JP? Yeah, it's on Wednesday. So D curve right here on May 7th. We get the Fed funds rate, FOMC statement, and the press conference. So yeah, that's this week. 2 days. Who's counting? Firm. Here, let's see. Nike. Oh, hold up. So Nike. Okay. Nothing much going on there. Upstart. So they got earnings today too. they got like some pressure at this. Looks like this 51.50 kind of level. I don't think Palantir earnings are priced in. I think we get a dramatic move either. Yeah, that's my thing. I think it's going to be dramatic, and I think it could go either way. That's what's getting me. KULR, Coke. Let's see. Oh, Coke is pretty flat. Was it Trade Desk has earnings today too. Hold on, let's see how they're doing on the weekly. This might be a I would lean bullish for Trade Desk for earnings. Like I would think like where you think FNGA could get to today. There's no telling today. Whatever their high was, like I don't know. It's like I would say first watch for like 550 or whatever, but or 450. All right, there it is. Spy's going for it now. All right, so we got 7 minutes for till Euro close. Yeah, Spy's going for that upside. Until SMCI has no. That's later this week. No, that's in the morning, right? Tuesday. Yeah, that's tomorrow. AI, Uber. So Uber's earnings is on Wednesday. Yeah, we'll leave Uber alone for now. Rocket Lab. Look for SPY to 575 this week. Yeah, it's on the table. Definitely on the table. Look at Skechers. Yeah, we were looking at Skechers went crazy. My thing, I just have a hard time getting in after it's gone crazy. Yeah, Skechers had like a massive. Yeah, we can look at them again. So yeah, acquired at $63 per share. The deal is expected to close in Q3. Yeah, so that was yeah. If you had Skechers at $50, that's a good little move right there. Hey y'all, yo Skechers. I hear Skechers are actually pretty on in the pickleball community. So I was like, all these people playing pickleball, they go for the Skechers. I mean, they go for other shoes too, but like Skechers is actually like big. You know, they're not just hey, it's not just for the kids who want the light up shoes. Skechers is big for. Oh that's what I hear. My wife used to not want me to go in the Skechers store. I was like, yo, let me try on a pair. Yeah, I was like she was embarrassed or something. then I think we went to like some it was like a tennis tournament in Portugal. I was like, well, I gotta try the Skechers on now because yo, they were giving away some free stuff if you just put your foot in the shoe a bunch of times. So I don't think it's gonna do too much from here though. Let's see how Google's doing. Let me go back to a 15, just see how that. All right, what was it, like a 5 minute? I want to see how that like little trend line break holds up. So I think we kind of drew it like that. Yeah, I just want to. Oh wait, hold up. I just want to kind of see how it goes. I want to see how far it goes. Because normally I would look for the last point that touched the line. So this was 1 point below here. I would look for this, I guess, kind of for it to come back to like 162.74 or so. Just got back taking Skechers. Oh no, I'm not taking Skechers on the downside. We were just looking at it. Skechers shouldn't go too much lower to me if they're being acquired. They can like drift lower, but like they shouldn't. Like if it's being acquired at 63 cents a share or $63 a share and it's still below that, it would make sense for it to move a little higher to me. Or like it's like if you want money, you can buy it at $62 a share, and it's like, oh yeah, you still getting an extra dollar per share whenever they sell it. Wydell, welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome. Oh yeah, no. I feel like it was Josh that told me. I'm not sure. Somebody mentioned it earlier. Someone brought it up. I definitely wouldn't have seen it without y'all though. Hey man, I subbed last night, watched 3 hours worth of your vids to make my first option purchase. Hey, look, glad to hear it, Gabriel. I hope it all went well. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear the little glad to hear the videos are. Wait, what? Hold up. But yeah, glad to hear that the video served you well. Are you going live for PAL on Wednesday? Uh, I don't think so. I have a class around that time, and because of that, I will not. Yeah, I saw Warren Buffett announce he's going to step down. I got that kind of I got it over the weekend. Like he's not going to be CEO. Someone else is, and I think he's going to be on the board until the end of the year or whatever, or kind of serve until the end of the year, and then he's done. Yeah, it's not the same without Charlie. It's like when your homie roll out, it's like, yo, it's time to roll out. All right, so we got Euro close coming in. Let's see what we do here. So yeah, we're selling off on Google. What was that other one going crazy this morning? It was Google and was it TSM? What was it? No, it wasn't TSM. Was it Qualcomm? Nah. Oh, hold on. I need to go tell my wife something real quick. I'll be right back. All right, we back. We back. Oh, it's CrowdStrike. Appreciate that. All right, so okay, yeah, they're kind of doing it too. Let's see. I'm not sure the trend is quite. Here, let's. It's not as clear. It's not as clean. Yeah, it's not as clean on CrowdStrike. But I think I might feel a little bit better about going for like still going for my 10% here if we can get a pullback like a little bit more. Let's see. Yeah, let me go on and that would be the ideal move I was looking for. Hey, have a blessed day, Mahishu. Appreciate you. Big time. All right, let's see. Pulling on back. I'm looking at a call on the spy. What just to let y'all know what I'm doing is I'm pretty much like I personally got something with 2 weeks time, but what I'm ideally looking at is like getting a call, and what I'm doing is like just taking something that is like I need from this like what like $20 or so, a little over like around $20 to hit that. So it's like if this full move right here is like $2.80, if it has a delta of at least 10 and it moves $2, that's a $20 move right there. So if it goes this whole way, or even if it has a delta of 20 and it goes half the way, that's it right there. Or if it's something with a delta of 30 and it goes half the way, that's already over it. So I pretty much just look at the delta and went for it. How do SKX? So I personally am not a fan of that, because if you look at the, it's like you could get puts on SKX, but look, ever since that news was announced, it's been trading sideways. And the reason for that is if you look at the news, Skechers will be acquired for this valuation at $63 per share. So that pretty much, to me, that puts a floor at 63 on Skechers, like value wise, because it's like until it gets acquired, like anything below 63 is like, oh, at least I can sell at 63. At least I can sell at 63. So it's like, to me, I personally would kind of go for, oh, for me, I would personally not do that. Like leaving the technicals alone. Like sometimes news does kind of take power over the technicals. So for me, I would just leave it alone. You said every time we chart, I tell you don't sleep on Baba. So I mean, it's like it's just the gaps just make me uneasy on Baba. It's like it's yeah, it does kind of go crazy, but the gaps make me feel uneasy. So it's like there's a lot out there. Oh, we got 11 likes. Buy call of 65. I would. I'm not sure I would go for that either. I feel like right here I would just like Skechers. I would leave alone personally, just cause it's like you got that $63 of value. It's like if you saw it beforehand, it's like yo, you got the money. But now it's like I don't know. All right, so the SPY is kind of coming back to do a little retest. Okay. All right, it's about there. It's about there. Why is it? Hold up. What's going on? Oh, it wants me to verify my password. Hold up. I'm gonna need it to chill out so I can. Yo, what's going on? Okay. All right. So I grabbed I grabbed it. Let me share it with the family real quick. All right. So just grabbed a. I don't even know which one it was here real quick. It was a 580 call on the SPY that expires on the 16th. Just grabbed a 580 call that expires May 16th. Paid. What did I pay for it? 186 per share. Share. This one is for the this one's for the option challenge, so I only need 10% on this one. There we go. Okay. Let's see. All right, so up 2.5%, up $5. Let's see where I want to kind of post my limit. Oh, already up. Hold up. All right, so I bought that for 186. All right, it's going for 197, so it's already up 10. So at about 286, I could. Let's see. Let me look to, let's see. No, it's not 286, my bad. Hold on one second. Where's the support on SPY? It depends on your time frame. I kind of had this 564 as support on SPY because that was kind of resistance. Now, ideally, it comes to closing this gap over the day. bought in at 186. So it's like 206. So yeah, let's see if I can put my little sell order in there. And I'm gonna just kind of let that do its thing over the day. Maybe I need to set. Oop. Oh, and got time on that, so not like too worried. Let me slide this up here to this level right here. That's probably where I would want to be alerted if the SPY ends up pulling back. All right, did y'all see the 100? So yeah, I heard. Yeah, the family definitely let me know. Will there be video with details of the challenge? I have been. Yes, there will be. Very much so. Very, very much so. Honestly, I haven't even really given like full on details about it to y'all yet, aside from like when we went over the compound interest calculator. So, nah, there'll be a video. There will be a video. So if I wanted that same play on SQQQ that you took on the spot, no, don't look for. I don't know, that's not going to be the same move because 20 delta on the SQQQ is going to be different because if the Qs move $1, it's a lot different from the SPY moving $1. So like just to kind of give an example. Here, let's see. Let's pull up 3 vertical. All right, so we got the SPY. Here, let's see. We'll make this one the Qs, and this one we'll make SQQ. Oh, wait, hold up. SQQQ to invert. No, I'm going to make it TQQQ because that's confusing. And then we'll talk about it after. All right, so... Wait, okay, so let's go to a 15-minute first for all of them. Let's turn this off. Let's go, where is it? Let's 15-minute. All right. Let's shrink that down. All right, so the move being targeted, the move in question. Here, let's say... from right here to, okay. So that's going to be about 270 on the SPY. On the Qs, it's about 290 on the Qs, and like the equivalent move on TQQQ. Let's see. That's going to be $1 move. So here, let's take this to SQQQ and look at it the opposite direction. All right, so looking at the same thing, coming from this right here to this right here. All right, so the delta for an option, that's going to be how much it moves for $1. But the thing is, the Qs is going to move $2.90. SQQQ from like about where we took our entry would be about 60 cents. So it's like if you expect it to move, if the delta is 20, you would expect it to move 20 cents or $20, depending on how you look at it. You would expect it to move 20 or increase 20 cents per share every $1 it moves. But if it's only going to move 60 cents, then it's only going to move 60% of 20. So it's like it would be different. So it's like I wouldn't call that the same move. Let's see. Walmart's running. Here, let me go back to the little two chart setup. Let's see what Walmart's looking like. Where's it at? Hold on, let me check in on Honest real quick. Oh no, I didn't give it to me. Okay, let's check in on Walmart. All right, Walmart. Yeah, it's moving on up today. Good little movement for Walmart. Thrift. Well, okay, thrift. Thanks. Right. So it can't be delta, or it is at least at multiply. Um. So yeah, it was like if you find a trade, like if you were looking at the Qs or SQQQ and you said, hey, it's gonna move $1, and then you look for a 20 delta, I mean that would be fine. But if you're trying to like mirror the trade I did and like go the same movement, it's like the movement's not enough. Him's dropping pre-earnings for the yeah. I very much like chart wise. Hims is very primed. Like if we just go to a weekly, it's still very strong out of this. Hims is probably popping up. So yeah, Hims to me, I'm not gonna play the earnings, but Hims, um, in my eyes, is a good move to the upside. Like it's gonna be a good one for earnings. But yeah, Hims is looking good. Let's go to see if we can find some kind of trend line. Oh, hold up. Let's see what this is on the. All right, let's go to a 30. Let's see what. Uh, nah, not quite. Let's see if we can draw from here. Still not quite. Let me check in on Palantir. Oh dang! Hey family, just a heads up. Hey, we are getting close to the end of the stream. I don't know if there's seven of you out there who have not smashed the like button, but if there are, this is your chance to save us from El Salvador. Um, yeah, to those of you that are unfamiliar with El Salvador, there is there is a prison out there. Probably some would say it's the world's most. I don't know. I would say most. Oh, the conditions are not favorable, pretty much, and oh, it's like if we don't hit our goal, we find ourselves in El Salvador. Hold up, let's see. Thanks for all the gems, Matthew. Thanks to all the new future subscribers. I'm out. Don't have. Oh yeah. Hey, no worries, no worries. Most notorious prison currently. Hey, yeah, El Salvador, notorious. And this you be able to make a lot of friends there. They share plenty of people per cell. You know, you got two toilets in a cell, about 80 people in there, each cell, and yeah, it's a good time, good time. No Wi-Fi, no hopes of ever seeing family or anything again. it's a good time. Hold on, let's see. All right, so SPY, hey, this trade's trying to make his move. It's good. We're working our way there. We're working our way there. Let's see. Hold up. Let me check in on this. All right, so we're up. Hey, we're up 8.35% on this. Oh, I think. Hold up. Up 9.68. Almost hit the 10%. Almost got the first week done. Almost ready to get this bread. To those of you that don't know, I think I already set my take profit. I set my take profit at 208. So let me just share that with the family real fast. What is it? Hold on 1 second. Let me just. There we go. What's the position? So it was a 580 SPY call that expired May 16. Yeah, it was a SPY call. I should be out of it pretty soon, but let's see. Where'd it go? Yeah, so close yet so far. One more little push on the SPY, we're good. Yeah, SPY staying pinned though. Okay, hey. All right, two more likes, and we're free. Oh, hold on. Oh, oh yeah, we're right here, family. We're right here. Okay, hey, we did it, family. Hey, we did it. All right, good morning, Spy Five. I'm at Demha. Just realized I'm about to be out of the call. I was just targeting 10%, so I like entered right here. I entered, yeah, like right here around like 563 or so, or 593. No, 563.93, and it's like I can see it coming up here to fill in the gap by the end of the day, but ideally, just all right, cool. Just hey, glad you found that, Gabriel. Lamit. Oh yeah. Hey, we did it. We're free. Another day free. All right. Did it hit? Did it hit? Let me see. I don't think it hit. Did it? Nah, I'm still in it. It came like right there, and then it's like, hey, we trying to they just want to chill for now. Yeah, I'm trying to sit here and wait here, but yeah, let me see what this is looking like on a 5 real quick. Yo, if we can get to like 565, like 50 or something, you can push above. Like, well, we got to like 565. Yeah, if we can like make an equal high over here, I think we got it. It's trying. It's trying. Hey, see if we continue to push. Yo, it's taking this time. Actually, hold up, hold up. What I get in at? What I paid? I paid 186. Hmm. Yo, I'm legit just sitting here focused, watching it, like trying to go somewhere. It's like pinned at 565 right now, like just right there. It's like it's not even moving now. Palantir. Let me take another look at hymns. Yeah, hymns pop back up again. All right, let's go. Let's go. Chidi, good morning. Good morning. Hey, I'm assuming you're not on the East Coast. Think it's officially noon there now. Hey, morning, Dema. Good morning. SoFi had closed. Did they? Oh wait, hold on. I think I was watching like 91. Let's see. Let's see SoFi. Yeah, I'm still waiting on SoFi to close above like 1291. Okay, Spy trying to push again. Hey, are we gonna? Hey, that should be it right there. I think that's it. Yeah, maybe not. That's 10%. Okay, cool. Hey, we're out. All good. All right, there we go. So yeah, we're out. Hey, first week done. First week done. So here, real quick before we get off. I want to take a moment while I have you on stream just to wait. You can sell calls at set limit also. Um, yeah, you can put a limit price like whenever you want to take profit. Like if you're like I want to take profit when it hits this price, you can do that. The only thing is you want to make sure like you want to be pretty confident it's going to hit that level. All right. There we go. So, let me just all right, so y'all can see it's still running. Let me pull it back just to show like all that was really required. Or actually here, let me leave that there and let me put this here so I can say like really all it took. Yeah, that's all it took. All right. So yeah, going back to it. Wait, hold on real quick. But it still hit resistance. Okay. All right, so going back to it. Um when it comes to here, let me show y'all how to do this. Maybe y'all don't want to do it with $200. Let me show y'all. All right, so to those of y'all that came on later, to those of y'all that don't know, so I am starting like a this is the start of a 52-week challenge for me, starting with $200, and the goal is just to make 10% a week. It sounds pretty simple in the beginning, but I've done this before, and it's more challenging than you think. Some of the biggest things that I've struggled with in the past was really just kind of dealing with myself, kind of patience and whatnot. But what this is going to show you is like patience and consistency. Although you're taking these small steps, um, I'll get to in a second, Dimha. Although you're taking these small steps, they lead to large changes. All right, so um, when I say the week is done, I'm still gonna come here every day. I'm still gonna trade, but I'm doing this challenge on my Moomoo account. The other trades I'll take in like Robinhood, but in my Moomoo account, this is the account I am using for this 10% challenge. It doesn't matter which one you use, but there it is. Yoko, good morning. Hey, mine was good. How about yours? All right, so yeah, first off, for me, I'm starting with 200. This is to get here. I just typed in a compound interest calculator. It brought me to this website. So if you were starting with like $50, for instance, you would put 50 for here. But since I'm doing 200, Chidi, I'll make a video. I'm also explaining it right now. But in base, like just to simplify it, the goal is just to make 10% on whatever you have, like whatever you start with. So in this account, I'm starting with 200. So today my goal was to get the account to increase by 10%. Or that was the goal for the week. It doesn't need to be one trade, but that was the goal for the week. It's easier as you start, but down the road it gets a little bit more difficult. But kind of looking at it, coming in, filling it out. Initial investment for me is 200 just because I'm starting with 200. We're doing this. The goal is to grow 10% each week. We can't really change this. It says length of time in years. We're just going to switch out years in our head to weeks. So right here, since it's a 52-week challenge, we're going to make it 52. So that's what it's going to show on the chart. And then estimated interest rate, we're increasing our account by 10% each week, which is the goal. So right here, this is going to be our 10% right here. Increase the account by 10%. And then last but not least, we're going to skip this. We're going to skip the monthly contribution. But last but not least, right here in step 4 where it says compound it. Once again, it's going to be weekly. But since this is years right here, we're going to leave it annually, which represents a year. So we're just going to hit calculate, and then right here, so the results are in 52 years, or in our case, weeks. This $200 will grow to 2,000 or 28,408 cents and 15 or $24,408.59 from compounding 10% each week. And this kind of shows it. This is kind of what I'm all about. I'm not like don't get me wrong, this is hard. Like, especially as you get further down the road, because I've done this with 50, and actually I didn't even complete it. I took like 50 to about like 3,500 or something, when the real thing would have been like 7,000. But it's like I believe these challenges are good. It'll teach you patience. It'll teach you consistency, and it'll show you that, hey, you don't need to hit home runs every time to really get the money going. So if we take a look at it, where we started right now today, $200, growing that, the 10% takes it to 220. Week 2, next week the goal is to go from 220 to 242. Then week 3 is 242 to 266. Week 4, 266 to 292. And just to kind of, oh, you said SoFi's going for it? Oh, yes, they are. Yeah, SoFi is, they are. But hold on, let me get back to it. And then to kind of like teach y'all something, if y'all aren't familiar with it, here, let me see if I can look it up real quick. So there's this thing called Rule of 72, right? And pretty much the Rule of 72 is like how long it takes your money to double. So if you take, the Rule of 72 is if you take 72 and divide it by your rate of return, which in this instance, 72 divided by 10, you're going to get 7.2. So your money should double every 7.2 weeks. So if we look at, we start week 1, or like we start at 200, say we get to week 7, it's almost doubled. It's at 30, almost 390. Week 8, it's already doubled. The next 7 weeks, week 14 is 759. The reason it's not perfectly doubling is because there's that 0.2, but just wanted to show y'all that. Okay. Let's see. I appreciate that, Yoko, and glad to hear it went great. So Levi, yeah, today was the start. And yeah, SoFi is doing this thing. We'll have to see if it's a wick or if it's actually going for it. I feel like it might go for it. SoFi, yeah, it might go for it because it broke over here. So SoFi could, honestly, I think it's poised to. So actually, yeah, I think SoFi can continue on here because it's in this demand zone. It kind of did its little time. Now we see the strength. I think this could continue to at least 340 or so. So that's my guesstimate. All right, Levi, you said how to register. That's something I want to talk to y'all about. It's like I don't know what to do with this. Like it's like I want to show you like, hey, I'm doing this. We're here on the live streams together and whatnot. But like when it comes to like registering, it's like I don't know. It's like I am here. I'm here like to hear your input and feedback to see what you got going or like what you think. Peace out, Milky Fade. Have a blessed day. But yeah, if you have any input or any way you think I can like kind of take and like make this for us a little better, let me know. Or like you can even come back tomorrow and tell me, because we're probably not doing anything else with it. I'll just make a video about it, kind of explaining the challenge and showing kind of the trade taken today. Let me actually close this down a little bit. There we go. But yeah, I think that's going to do it for the day, family. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Um, and yeah, I hope to see y'all back for the challenge next week, and just to like hop on stream and just chill tomorrow. But yeah, thank y'all very much for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, Christine. Peace out, Timeless. Peace out, Mass 3D RC. Appreciate you. Peace out, Yoko. You said you're up almost 50% on those Nintendo shares? I don't even remember you saying anything about Nintendo shares, but hey, that's good stuff. What are you doing with the profits that you make from the challenge? So right now, hey, there are no plans. It's like I'll probably purchase stocks with it, just like invest it. But yeah, it's like right now the money that is kind of profited just goes back into the account. It's just used to kind of grow. But peace out, Ann. Peace out, D Skirr. Peace out, Lemon. Peace out, Dwight. Peace out, Kareem. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Elegant. Boom. Oh, okay, I got you, Yoko. Hey, good stuff. Peace out, Levi. All right, appreciate you. Peace out, Lucky J. All right, family. That's going to do it for the day. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Oh, peace out, Natasha. Hey, y'all have a blessed day.